ready to go to sleep. But I gave them some treats, and now they looking at me because I came back to see if they went in. And no treats. Water. And still out there waiting for them. That's it, Miss Poppin. Miss Poppin usually like the last one. So she keeps up there. Uh-oh. Poor mama. Oh. Oh no. That's Monroe. She's like, I'm out of here. That's Monroe. She's like, I'm out of here. That's Coco. This is Charcoal. Miss Poppin and Galaxy. I want you guys to go in already. Okay, Dottie. Yeah, there you go. That's Coco. He just went in. Come on, you two are the last one. Oh no, Daddy. Well, Charcoal's here another night because I guess they're preparing in school something for home. So I'm holding on to him, and I'm glad that he's gonna be here a couple of days. They're preparing a nice place for him. I'm glad he's gonna have a good place. But at the same time, sad that he's gonna be. But at least he's gonna have a good life. He's not gonna, and stuff like that. No, he's gonna be in good hands. Come on, everybody in. I go close the door.